Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video I want to show you how I want to prepare this our fufu. This is rice powder, fiberless powder. How we prepare the two of them is on my YouTube channel, so join us as we're about to prepare it. This is fiberless corn powder. Wow, you see the texture of this. This is rice and corn. So I lower the fire. So, reasonable people, our rice and condo is ready. This is nice. This is like it's like semo. Okay, the taste. Watch how we prepare it. The processing is on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. This is nice. Try and prepare it for your family. You see the rice and corn. Bye bye.